Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another topic in the introduction of microeconomics, that is production's possibility curve. We have already said that every economy has to decide about the allocation of its scarce resources in the production of different goods and services. Particular allocation of scarce resources bring the forth of the particular combination of goods and services that can be produced in the economy. The allocation of resources can be done in many different ways, and these different ways produce different combination of goods and services. Taking together all the possible combination of goods and services in the society can produce with the given limited resources give the technology we get production possibility set of the economy. However, there is a maximum limit into the amount of goods and services that can be produced with the given resources and technology in a country. The increase in the output one product require a reduction in the output of the other. We can find out the various combinations of the two good, that is production possibility that society can produce with the unlimited resources and given technology. Now the society has to choose one particular combination out of the various production possibility. So the construction of production possibility curve, the PP curve obtained from production would depend on the following assumption. The availability of resources are remain fixed, means the resources which are available are fixed in nature. Next, there is no change in the technology, and third, the resources are fully efficiently employed, and resources fourth, the resources are not equally efficient in production all the product. It means particular resources is more efficient in the production one product than another. Hence, when resources is transferred from production of one goods to another, it efficiency when the resources decrease and their cost increase. There's a marginal opportunity cost increase. It can be explained with the help of the example. For suppose the worker employed in the production of X good was because he best suited for it. Now he will decide to reduce the production of X good, increase the production of Y. For this he had transferred from the production of X goods to the Y goods, but he is less efficient in the production of Y good as the compared to the production of X good. Hence the productivity in Y good also be low. It will increase the cost of production. So production possibility for near curve one which despite all the possible combinations of two goods that economy can produce with the full utilizations of a given resources and state the technology. In other words, we can say that PP curve showed the options of goods that are obtained with the given resources and technology. In short, despite society menu choice. In a table you can see the production possibility A, B, C, D, E, F, and butter 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and guns 15, 14, 12, 9, 5, 0. Here you can see the suppose only two goods in the economy, gun and butter. The table 1.1 and figure 1.2 show that various quantity of gun and butter that can be produced with the given resources and technology in the economy. If the economy devoted all the resources to the productions of good, it can produce 15,000 of gun, but then the productions of butter will be zero. Now, if we want to produce 1 million pound butter, we have to reduce the production of gun by 1,000. It means we can produce the 1 million pound butter and 14,000 guns. There can be a better. There can be a number of production possibility of gun and butter. 6 production possibility A, B, C, D, E, F are shown in table 1.1, and they are shown by AF production possibility curve, that is figure 1.1. From these alternative production we have learned that if we want to produce more butter, we have to reduce output of guns and vice versa. It means that we can transform gun into butter or butter into gun. So production possibility tells how we can produce more of any community by giving up some other community. In other words, we can say one community can transform the into another. That is why production possibility curve is termed as transformation curve or opportunity cost curve. Thank you.